to another exciting episode of We Wild Ones on the Web. My name is Alex. Are you ready to get started? Let's go! Today we're going to be talking about something that we can see but can't touch. Is that a fun riddle? We can't touch it or even get close to it. We can only see it after it rains, way up in the sky. Have you guessed what we're talking about today? That's right! Today we're talking about rainbows. Can you picture a rainbow in your imagination? Yeah, me too. Rainbows appear in the sky after it rains because white light passes through those rain droplets and separates into all the colors of the rainbow. Do you have a favorite rainbow color? I know I do. Let's take a look at the colors of the rainbow together. Here we have red. There. Red is the first color in the rainbow. Next we have orange. There we go. Orange. Next we have yellow. Green. And then blue. This one's my favorite. And violet. There we have it. That's a rainbow. Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, and violet. Great job, everyone. Now let's take a look for some colors that we can find in nature. All the different colors of the rainbow can be seen out in nature. Have you ever noticed some of your favorite colors when you're out on a nature walk? I know I have. Even just here at the museum, we have all kinds of different colored specimens with me today. Would you like to take a closer look at some of them with me? Me too. Do you remember that first color in the rainbow? That's right, it was red. Let's look at a couple of red specimens first. Here we have a red cardinal. Their feathers are bright, bright red. Boy cardinals use their bright feathers to attract a female, and they make baby cardinals. Or how about an eastern painted turtle? Can you see how their shells look red? They use the colors on their shells and their faces to blend into nature. That might help them hide from a predator. How about these orange flowers? Flowers can be so brightly colored to attract pollinators like bees to move pollen from one flower to another, which makes more flowers. Isn't that cool? Here we have a green frog. Green frogs use their colors to hide in ponds and lakes and grasses. That's kind of like us having a superpower, isn't it? Blue is very, very rare in nature. This is pretty cool. Blue jays' feathers aren't actually blue. They're brown, but it's a light trick, playing a trick on our eyes and our brains. Their brown feathers get refracted. That means light bounces off of them and makes them look blue inside of our eyes and brains. Isn't that neat? Here we have quartz. This quartz looks purple to me, but hey, this is quartz too, and this one is green. I bet you could make a whole rainbow just out of quartz. There we have it, we wild ones. We've found all the colors of the rainbow just in specimens here at the museum. Do you think you could find all the colors of a rainbow out on a nature walk? I bet you could too. Maybe you could try to arrange things in a rainbow, just like we did here today. Well, we wild ones, we've come to the part of the episode where it's time for us to say goodbye. Can you remember what we learned about today? That's right, we learned all about rainbows and where you can see them out in nature. If you'd like to see more We Wild Ones videos, visit our website at naturalhistory.novascotia.ca. And next time you're out in nature, don't forget to look for rainbows. See you next time.